Hey, what's up everyone? Buddy here, April 19th, 2020, and I wanted to show you this direct mailing program I'm a part of where you can get $5 payments over and over again. I love these direct mailing programs. I'm a part of Club Cash Fund. I did very well with Club Cash Fund, and I love these direct mailing programs. Okay, so I have a replicated website for this one. So there's one or two ways that you could do this to get started. You can check, I'm going to put the link to this website down below in the description. You can go along here, you can watch this video, you can click this flyer right here. This flyer is going to pull up. I'm going to push OK. Let this pull up in the PDF form. And that's what you can do if you're on your phone, your laptop. Pull it up on your PDF. Excuse me, itchy throat. Okay, so check. Something stuck in my throat. So what you can do is just check out this flyer. You can go and print it out and cut these bottom parts out, and you can send $5 to the admin. It's a marketing advantage. You just fill out the form above, put your address up there, and put it in the mailbox. Send $5 to that, and check out whose name that is right there, Buddy Boome. Number 2 position, send $5. You can cut that out, send $5 in the mail, and then what's going to happen is you're going to get a PDF form just like this one, and it's going to have your name on there along with the admin fee, where you can start getting unlimited $5 payments with the $5 cash cow. So, there's no experience needed. What you get in your marketing kit when you join the $5 Cash Cow Flyer program, you'll receive in the mail the marketing kit with a step-by-step guide, a camera-ready copy of this flyer, an advertising guide with a list of mail order publications to advertise your flyer in. Is dirt cheap. Where to buy forever stamps for 30% off, and the 3 best print and mail dealers to help you get started to make money right away. So you can make $5 over and over with this. You can see there's a little couple testimonies there, and I know a lot of people with this coronavirus going on today, they want to find some kind of opportunity that doesn't really cost anything. And why not start with something that costs $10? You can get half your money back. I mean, pretty much right away when somebody starts. Then you can have your name circulating out there with flyers. It says, as a special bonus, if you join the $5 Cash Cow Flyer program, the admin will give you 120 buyer leads on peel and stick labels for 100% free to help you get started with your mailing right away. So that's pretty cool. It's going to give you 120 leads on stickers, and it's all you got to do is you got to get the postage for them, send them off. I think you do have to cover the postage or the shipping and handling for that. So you can join the $5 Cash Cow by clicking this down here. The admin, you can send them $5 via Stripe, and then you can click this link over here, send me $5. It's going to be PayPal. So then what's going to give you a PDF form that you're going to be able to print out, and you can put your name on the bottom. It'll give you the exact steps once you get started. So I just wanted to do this really quick video about $5 Cash Cow. If you guys want to start something that's affordable, easy, and if it's something to get started with the home business, any type of home business you're doing, you can use tax write-offs. You can use your cell phone as tax write-off. You can hire your kids as a tax write-off. You can use meals as a tax write-off, and much more stuff that you can do, that you have the advantages of starting a little home business like this. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because like I said, I love these direct mailing programs, these flyer programs. They've been around for a while. This is kind of stuff that got me interested in working from home in the first place when I was very, very young. I've been doing this for a number of years now. So this is something I wanted to share with you guys. $5 Cash Cow. Check out that link in the description to get started. It's just $10. It's going to be split 2 ways between the admin and then towards the sponsor, which is me. Then it'll be you once you get started with this. So check out that link in the description, guys. $5 Cash Cow, kind of a direct mailing flyer program. you can get started with for just 10 bucks. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.